Hey guys, Mike Dom here with another break of 11-12 Artifacts Hockey. Serial number. Well done, Mike. Let's brace up a little bit. Serial number is Stop moving it.
Why are you doing it like that?
NE959 10249. You kept moving every single time.
We've never done it on an angle.
You stuck it up. But whatever. Let's hope for a good break in this one. Still no case hits. Pack one. Base. Oh wow. Okay. So it's a patch and jersey. Orange and blue.
Philadelphia.
It's Philly. It's Scott Hartnell, number 13 out of 35.
Nice card.
Yeah.
I like the colors.
Orange. And Shea. Big Shea. Base. Wow, nice hit. Datsuk, Dan Cleary.
Tundra Tandems, 216 out of 225.
You'd think the tandems would be Datsuk and Zetterberg, but whatever. Still a nice hit. It's always nice to pull a Datsuk.
Yes, it is.
Two packs, two jerseys. Looks like a wild card.
Redemption.
For Philly. Wow, Philly already cleaning up in the break. That's number 222. Red. Redemption. Cool. Yeah, they suck. Pack number 4. Base, Gretzky. Base, Okposo. And Hockey Legends of Grant Fuhr from Edmonton Oilers.
Number 100 out of 999.
Pack number 4. I'll take care of those. Base and an autograph of
Thomas
McCollum.
It's for the Red Wings.
Hopefully he turns into a Jimmy Howard. Base. Already two jerseys in this and the autographs. Colin Greening from Ottawa. I swear I've seen that card like 4 times now. He's parallel once. No comments on that, Mike?
4 packs left.
Okay. Base. Another
same guy.
No way. Scott Hartnell again.
It's the shitty version.
Number 9 out of 135. Too bad it's not 9. Is that 19? No, it's 9. Okay, that's awkward.
It's the jersey version.
I mean, if I'm a Philly fan, I'm not complaining.
Yeah,
If you're a Scott Hartnell fan, I'm also not complaining.
I got a parallel in here.
Base. Jakub Voracek. Also from Philly, but I think it's Columbus on the back, right?
Yep.
Columbus on the back. The card's out of 99, by the way. 2 packs left.
We're missing a rookie. And that's it.
That's all we're missing?
Yeah.
another
it is.
Ottawa.
Stefan
Da Costa.
DaCosta.
Last pack. This one's most likely going to be a star.
Legend or star?
It's going to be a star. Being this was a nice parallel.
We got our parallel for this box.
It is a star of Tim Thomas. Thomas having a terrible season so far. Thank God. Alright guys, thanks for participating in this box break. I hope you enjoyed it.